We're going to move now on to, from something very big to something that you can fit in your pocket. I'm going to move on to Anthony Coates-Smith from Insight Energy and Jan Hansen from SAV, who are going to be talking to us about Curve. So over to you.
Thank you.
Good morning, thank you.
Yeah, David, when you are ready. Good morning and welcome to our pitch of Curve Technologies, a pay-as-you-go app and billing system. Pay-as-you-go will be a key technology in enabling heat networks and allowing them to be the cornerstone of a future carbon neutral society. We will show you how we've done that simply and cost effectively.
So Insight, first we listened. We listened to feedback from our clients, from developers, from housing associations, managing agents and consumers themselves, and all were calling out for the same thing: the benefits and protections that you get from a quality pay-as-you-go metering system, but with greatly reduced capital and operating costs.
And at SAV, the feedback on pay-as-you-go was the same from consultants and contractors. It is too expensive to make it the preferred choice in heat networks, even though we know it's the right thing to do. This was especially true the further north you went in the UK. It would be the first item to be taken out during value engineering. So how do you create a simple and cost-effective pay-as-you-go system from scratch? You work with key partners like Kamstrup and speak directly to their product developers. Take their existing technologies and adapt them to the UK needs. Kamstrups are world leaders in heat network metering, but not necessarily pay-as-you-go.
At Insight, we've long understood that partnering with the best gives you strong, reliable solutions. We needed our partners to build on what we already had to create a pay-as-you-go solution at a fraction of existing costs. We used their expertise and our passion for service to push technology to its limits and lead us to a lower cost solution.
So the focus on simplicity and low cost, building on well-tested technologies from strong partners, we decided to join forces and utilize our extensive knowledge of the heat network and billing market. The combination gave us the firepower to launch Curve Technologies, offering the UK a simple app and billing system.
Now, we knew that simplicity was key to lowering cost, and using existing products kept things simple. What we didn't have was an in-home display, the highest cost component. So we thought the greatest innovation of our time is a smartphone. So why not tie existing solutions to that? You don't need a high-cost in-home display hidden in a cupboard. Simple.
By keeping it simple and cost-effective, we focus on 5 key areas. Remove duplication of hardware to get data, secure and fast payments, improve customer engagement with their energy usage, a user-friendly back-office platform, and second-to-none customer support. As the meter is an MID-approved cash register, the data is already verified. We use the data directly from the meter. It gets taken out through a smart two-way MBUS infrastructure, which also allows us to send signals to the meter. Data solution, simple and cost-effective without duplication.
Now, with pay-as-you-go, convenience, responsiveness, and security matter. So Curve had to offer easy, fast, and secure payment options, enabling consumers to top up anytime, any place with no fuss. So in 3 clicks, you can top up and get on with the rest of your day. And Curve complies with all data protection and security regulations.
And in order to interact simply with your heat network, the key was to make it web-enabled. This allows the consumer to interact with the heat network through any technology platform. It makes it accessible anywhere. It is simple and it's cost-effective, improving the all-important consumer engagement we are looking for.
Now, behind the app sits the management platform. Back office systems are often an afterthought, but they underpin consumer experience. So we listen to the people who use it most, the customer service agents and administrators who support heat networks. And CAMP was the result, a system built on user input to improve customer service. But we know great customer experiences don't just happen, they are designed. Our feedback is that self-serve is a universal trend. Services like live web chat, minimizing time-consuming phone contacts. But what if something does go wrong? Well, we're not hard to reach and nor are we hidden away. We offer multiple contact channels to suit all customer types.
So did we achieve our 5 targets in a cost-effective and simple way? Guess what? We think so. We're saving up to 60% on CapEx investment, 20% on annual billing cost. It's all of us spending 0 hours installing pay-as-you-go displays. We put heat network metering into the cloud and future-proofed it. And what about the app? What would you worry about if you lived in a flat or a house with a heat network with no heat and hot water? We would like to suggest that it would be the quickest way to log on, verify the balance, maybe realize you're out of credit, pay. With 3 clicks, heat and hot water is back on. Simple.
Now, our clients' drive for cost reduction is to deliver better value for consumers. Curve gives more than lower costs. It gives back time and convenience. It gives access to valuable meter data, access when and where you want it, not locked in a utility cupboard. Consumers follow their own curve. It gives consumers choices in payment, in contact, and in data. But with data comes regulation. Regulation is good, and we like regulation, especially if it drives up standards. Curve is already out of the blocks and way ahead of regulation. Customer displays don't need to be expensive fixed-to-wall devices. Customer portals and apps are part of the mix now. Digitalization is a new normal.
So where are we? 7,000 quoted, 2,000 units ordered, 500 units being installed, 150 operational with snacks being ironed out as we speak. It's available nationwide, but overall considerable cost reduction have been achieved for our customers.
So SAV and Insight teamed up to face a key industry challenge. We each bring diverse perspectives from clients not always heard in unison. We embraced existing technology and the mantra of simple to produce a low-cost pay-as-you-go product. We want heat networks to be more accessible, more attractive, and lower cost. Who doesn't want that? So technology reducing cost is key for the future of heat networks. Innovative digital solutions should see benefits shared by all. We listen to the market and we're delighted to say, yes, we have created a simple and affordable solution. Wherever you fit in the cycle of a heat network, developer through consumer, Curve has lowered the cost for you. Thank you.
Thank you, Anthony, and thank you, Jan. That was fantastic. You have been practicing. I can definitely see that. And now I imagine your future meetings about Curve are going to be you speaking in 20-second bursts to each other in a very kind of structured way. That's fantastic.